Are you in desperate need of a face wash that doesn't dry out your skin? Well, in today's video, we're going to make a face wash for aging and mature skin. This recipe is full of moisturizing and cleansing properties. Your skin will feel clean, fresh, and supple, leaving your complexion smooth and glowing. Please like, share, and subscribe. We need 1 foam hand wash dispenser, 5 ounces of water, 1 tablespoon of Castile soap. Castile soap is an effective cleaner and is antibacterial. It's safe for sensitive skin, soothing irritations such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. 2 teaspoons of rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil is highly moisturizing, exfoliating, and can help boost collagen formation, brightening skin tone. It helps reduce inflammation, dark circles under the eyes, scars, and fine lines. 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. The antioxidants in vitamin E can promote healthy blood circulation. It can slow down the skin aging process and make your skin look firm and youthful. It's also an excellent moisturizer, reducing and preventing dry skin. It can help strengthen skin barrier function and may act as a natural anti-inflammatory, soothing and calming the skin. 2 ounces of witch hazel. Witch hazel absorbs excess oil and can tighten pores. It's moisturizing and can help reduce inflammation. Essential oils I like to use is 6 drops of tea tree, 6 drops of lemongrass, and 4 drops of frankincense essential oils. Tea tree oil is antibacterial, antifungal, and can reduce inflammation. Lemongrass is a natural cleanser and deodorizer. It possesses antiseptic and antioxidant properties. It can also reduce inflammation, soothing and calming the skin. Frankincense is antibacterial and can boost the immune system. It can also reduce inflammation and support skin regeneration. In a mixing or measuring cup, add 4 ounces of water, 2 ounces of witch hazel, 1 ounce of Castile soap, 2 teaspoons of rosehip seed oil, and 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Mix all ingredients well. Next, add the essential oils. Then, pour mixture into the foam hand wash dispenser. Place lid on dispenser and gently shake to mix the ingredients. Massage the cleanser into your skin for at least 2 minutes and then rinse. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store in the fridge and use within 1 month. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.